Today, we're going to be looking at this beautiful all-white case in the Jonsbo TK-3. Standout feature is this panoramic glass side window. Stay tuned for more. Hi, I'm David, a Level 3 technician at AVARigs Custom Computers, America's leading custom computing solutions and home to over 10,000 component options. Today, we're going to be looking at this very aesthetically pleasing PC. Now, this customer reached out to our sales team who helped him configure this system. Now, our sales team's great. They can help you with all sorts of things like compatibility, fitment, how to get the best bang for your buck. So while you can use our configurator online, go ahead and give our sales team a call. They're there for a reason. They're very good at building computers. Now, there's some really good attention to detail from the customer, especially on these fans. These are the Fantex D30. These are some really high-end fans, and they actually kitted it out so these bottom ones and these back ones would be reverse flow. So the fan blades are faced the other way, so you could still see the RGB really well on them. Now, the customer's focus was aesthetics, but they didn't skimp on specs. We have a B650E XAX ICE board from GIGABYTE, a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, a Radeon 7900 GRE from AMD, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM from G.SKILL, and they have 3 terabytes of NVMe SSD storage from Crucial. Altogether, this is a great 1440p or high FPS gaming computer. You're going to be playing Cyberpunk 2077 or Call of Duty Warzone at high FPS at high resolution. Now, one thing I would change about this PC is I would have went with our custom in-house mainframe cables. They come in 31 different colors, including white, and I think really just would have made this build pop. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you would change about this PC. Stay tuned for next week where we have something really custom coming through on the AVARigs, and thank you for watching.
If you like the PC in the video, be sure to contact our sales team by emailing sales@aviadrock.com or head to the website by clicking the link within the description below. You can choose from many pre-built options, gaming or workstation based, or use the configurator to build the PC of your dreams. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so you can be notified of future content, and give the video a like in support of our channel. You can follow the variety of our social media channels by visiting aviadirect.com/community, and you can also join our Discord if you wish to engage in discussions related to custom-built PCs.